Good morning, everybody. How are you? This is Ilyas Hariri, and today we will continue with Unit 11, A Garden for All. And today we have period number 5 and 6, and the pages 44 and 45. So let's start our unit and listen today. Now, at the beginning, let me remind you about. We'll start with this text. North London News. Here we have. Listen now and.
Unit 11, Period 5, Activity 3. North London News. 10 o'clock, Sunday the 9th of March. Work starts on the garden project on Western Road. Thank you to everyone who came to the meeting last night. All of us on the committee were very surprised by the large numbers, and we had an excellent discussion, didn't we? We now have a great team of volunteers with lots of energy, so let's get on and do the work. See you all on Sunday. Jack Hill, Committee Secretary.
I'm looking forward to Sunday too, but I must say one thing about the mess on our site. People shouldn't make a mess like that, should they? It's terrible. The ones who did it should be ashamed of themselves. It would be nice if they came to help clean up the place, wouldn't it? Susie Smith.
Okay, let's continue with the next saying. Okay.
If I remember correctly, we've never done a voluntary project like this in Newtown before, but I hope it'll be the first of many. We didn't talk about this last night, did we? But perhaps we can next time. Anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing everyone again on Sunday. Zainab Hussein.
There's just one problem. We don't have people with the right skills to lead the work, do we? For example, we need a gardener, don't we? And a carpenter to help repair the fence too. We should make a request on local radio. Bob Green. That's a fantastic idea, Bob. I'll make a phone call today and request their help. Jack Hill, Committee Secretary.
Thank you. Now, after we finish reading and listening to these partners, now listen and look. We have exercise number 2. Read again and mark the statements whether true or false. Number 1, the first comment is from Jack Hill to the other people on the committee. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Number 2, Susie Smith expects that the people who left the rubbish will clean it up. What your point of view? Yeah, it is false. Number 3, Zainab Hussein has been part of the local community for a long time, and that's it, true. Number 4, Bob Green wants the local radio's carpenter and gardener to help. Bob Green wants the local radio's carpenter and gardener to help. No, that's false. And number 5, all of the comment writers show that they expect to be at the site on Sunday. Yes, it's false. Now, after that, let's go to period number 6. We have exercise number 1. Exercise number 1, read again and complete the notes. Complete the notes. Okay. Number 1, I wrote here, everybody, I wrote the names of each person. We have Jack, Susie, Zainab, and Bob. Also, the last one is Jack. And each one said something. Now, number 1, Jack wants to thank who? wants to thank, yes, thank everyone who came to the meeting, and he is pleased that they now have a great team of volunteers. What about Susie? Susie is angry about what? About the people who may miss, yes, about the mess on the site, and she thinks that they have to clean it. They shouldn't make mess like that. Zainab, the last one, or in the middle, believes that the project is the first project like this in the new town, and she hopes that it will be the first of many other projects. While Bob says that they need a gardener and carpenter, and he suggested that they make a request on local radio. And after we finish all of these, Jack repeats again and agrees that this is a fantastic idea from Bob, and he adds that he will make a phone call today. Okay, everyone, now we have exercise number 3. Exercise number 3, we need to read the website comments again and do these tasks. Number 1. Now, before number 1, we have say what the underlined words refer to. So number 1, in line 5, see you all on Sunday. You all, he is referring to whom? Referring to all the volunteers and the writers. Okay, on line 2 and number 2, we have line 10. It would be nice if they came. It would be nice if they refer to whom? To, yes, to the people that made the mess. And number 3, line 15, but perhaps we can. What do we can do? Yes, we can talk about more projects next time. Number 4, on line 22, and request their help. Request their help. Yeah, there it means the people in local radio. Okay. Also, when we continue, we have the next part of the question. Now say what the underlined phrases mean. Number 1, on line 2, all of us on the committee. All of us on the committee, it means what? You can guess. Okay. The people who are organized the project. Okay, what about number 2? Number 2, line 2 also. We were very surprised by the large numbers. Large numbers of, what's the meaning of large numbers? It means a lot, many people, yes, a lot of people and a lot of people, many people. Okay, number 3, on line 5, let's get on and do the work. Which work we are talking about? It's, of course, it's the making the garden. And the last one, number 4, on line 15, but perhaps we can next time. What next time means here? It means in the next year and in the next meeting. Okay, so that's all for today, everyone. This is period 5 and 6. Thank you for attending. Have a nice day and goodbye.